How to delete items from Google collection. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you delete items from your Google collection. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Google app on your device, make sure it is updated to its latest version. After you open Google with your account, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon at the top right. From your profile section, make sure you are logged in with your correct Google account, and from here, tap on the option Saves and Collection. From the section, you'll be able to find your every collection that you have saved on your Google ID. From the section, at the first one, you'll have to tap on All Save Items. Now from here, to remove or delete the item, you'll have to just tap on the three dot of that item. From the section, tap on Remove. Alright, you'll have to confirm with tapping Remove from here. After you tap on that, you'll be able to delete that item from your Google collection. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.